Hey everyone, in today's video I am sharing a fail-proof 3-ingredient slime recipe. I am excited to share this with you because we have tried so many slime recipes over the years and they never turned out right. After so many failed attempts, I actually gave up on trying to make it myself and switched to buying store-bought instead. This was until I made a discovery and now we get perfect slime every time. To make slime, you need two things, glue and slime activator. A good activator is what is going to turn your liquid glue into super stretchy slime. The discovery that I made was for a recipe for slime activator that turns any liquid glue that we buy into perfect slime. I'll share the recipe in just a second, but first I want to make sure that I give credit to Gillian Bowers for the measurements. She shared the recipe on her YouTube channel and I'm so thankful. I'll make sure to post the link to her channel if you want to check her out. To make this slime activator, you will need 1 cup of warm water and a half teaspoon of borax. You can purchase borax in grocery stores. I've seen it in Walmart. You can also order it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box for it, but essentially once you buy the borax, it will last you forever and you can make tons of activator for just pennies. Mix the water and borax until it has been dissolved. I usually end up with some borax left at the bottom, but that's okay. Then grab a squeeze bottle and a funnel and pour the slime activator in. To a bowl, I'm adding a half cup of glue and then I start adding small amounts of activator at a time. As you make slime more, you worry less about the exact measurements and learn to look for cues instead that the slime is ready. I'm going to share the exact measurements in a minute, but first I want to show you how you can gauge when you've added enough activator. So this is stage 1. You can see that the glue is starting to congeal. Keep stirring. That is my first tip. Don't be too quick to add in more activator, just keep stirring to give it time to combine and activate. Mine is still very sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some more activator. Stage 2 is when it starts to wrap around your stirring utensil. Again, keep stirring and give it time to do its thing. Here's where you see that cue that the slime is just about ready, and that is that it starts to pull away from the sides and leaves the bowl clean. Remove the slime from your utensil. You can see that it's still a little sticky. This moves us onto the final stage, and that is adding a tiny bit more activator to remove the stickiness. Swirl the slime around to coat the outside with the activator, and there you go. Perfect, super stretchy slime. Now if you want to know exactly how much activator I used, here's the result. It ended up being about 2 tablespoons of activator for my half cup of slime. Now that you have your activator recipe, you can have fun experimenting with different brands and types of glue. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!